Today we'll continue again with the word problems of maxima minima. So see the next question. So that is given. So that the right circular cylinder of given surface. Question number 20. So that the right circular cylinder of given surface at maximum volume. Maximum volume is such that its height is equal to its height is equal to diameter of the base. Okay. See the clue here. Clue means right circular cylinder of, I missed one line here, of given surface. Once more, right circular cylinder of given surface. मतलब surface area which is S, that will be given means constant. This is main point to understand. Given surface area, given word means constant. S will be constant here. Acha, then prove maximum volume. This is first given, then maximum volume. So volume has to be proved as maximum. Third, again what you have to prove is such that height is equal to diameter of the base. Height is equal to diameter of the base. So listen again. Surface area S is given. You have to find volume is maximum. Then you have to prove height is equal to radius of the base. Okay. Look at here. Let's draw the diagram for this. Right circular cylinder this is your radius, this is your height. Okay. Now surface area S. Surface area means total surface area. 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. This you have studied in class 9 and 10. So S is constant, you have to use it. You look at here, there are two variables. One is radius, other one is height. Let's find out one variable from here. It is easy to find h. Because if you find r, then again r square is there, that will be complicated. So easy to find h from here. How to find? Now S equals S minus 2 pi r square equals to 2 pi r h. Okay. Then S minus 2 pi r square by 2 pi r equals to h. Let's keep this one in the box. Now I made h is a function of r because s is constant. Okay, go back to volume. What is the formula for volume? Volume, that is V pi r square h. Pi r square h, two variables. You have to make it one variable. Put the value of h here. So V equals to pi r square h का वैल्यू s minus 2 pi r square by 2 pi r. Pi cancelled, one of the r is cancelled. So you are getting V equals to 1 by 2 outside SR minus 2 pi r cube. Now clearly V is a function of r. S is constant. So you find dV by dr. So dr of half you can write here SR minus 2 pi r cube. So look at the derivative. Derivative of r is 1, s the constant, so s into 1 minus 2 pi constant, r cube is 3r square, so 6 pi r square. This is what dV by dr. Now for maximum minimum value, for maximum and minimum value, put dV by dr equals to 0. That means I put half s minus 6 pi r square equals to 0. Okay, that means s minus 6 pi r square equals to 0. That gives you s equals to 6 pi r square. Let's keep this one in the box. I'll tell you where are you going to use it. But you will find out r from here. So r square equals to s by 6 pi. R is root over of s by 6 pi. I got r. Now you go back to second derivative. So d square v by dr square is ddr of half s minus 6 pi r square. This product half will remain outside. Now derivative of s, because s is constant, so derivative will be 0 minus 6 pi r square, derivative is 2r. So that is, you can cancel here 3. So minus 6 pi, 3 to the 6 pi r. So minus 6 pi, value of r, look at here, s by 6 pi. Look at everything is constant. Constant means certain value. And sign is negative. So negative means the value is negative. So less than 0. So you got second derivative is implies volume is maximum. Now you have to prove height equals to diameter of the base. Look at I written, there is a box I have made there, s minus 2 pi r square by 2 pi r. Look at, I put this one in the box. अब s का value भी I have kept in the box. Look at s. What did I write? S was 6 pi r square. So that is 6 pi r square minus 2 pi r square divided by 2 pi r. This is it. So you are getting s equals to 4 pi r square by 2 pi r. One of the r is cancelled, 2 pi cancel 2. Therefore height is equal to diameter of the base. So proved. Get the clues on this. Okay. Now let's take one more similar question. 21. 21 what is given? Of all the closed cylindrical cone cylindrical cane. You remember this is right circular cone. Sorry, right circular cylinder. On the closed, this is not open one here, cylindrical cone, sorry, cylindrical canes, cylindrical cane of given volume of 100 cubic centimeter of given volume of 100 cubic centimeter, find the dimension of the cane, find the dimension of the cane. Then what you have to do? Which has the maximum surface area? Which has the maximum surface area? Okay. Of all the closed cylindrical cane, so volume is given you 100. V is given you 100 centimeter cube. First. Second, find the dimension, means you have to find out what is height, what is R. This you have to find out, and also you have to prove which has the maximum surface area. Also you have to prove d square s by dr square is maximum. Maximum surface area. Surface area आप taken as its derivative, second derivative has to be maximum. So these are the points we got from this question. Also look at the cylinder. You remember V is constant. So you are given V equals to 100 centimeter cube. V means pi r square h equals to 100 centimeter cube. You have to use this to find one of this. So easy to find h. 100 by pi r square. Let's keep this one in the box. Okay. Then surface area formula. Surface area S equals to chord surface area plus base and top 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Two variables you are getting, r and h you are getting. This h value you have to put here. So you are finding s equals to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r into h is 100 by pi r square. One of the r is cancelled, pi is cancelled. So conclusion is s equals to 2 pi r square plus 200 by r. Clearly s is a function of r. So ds by dr you have to find out. Let's find. So ds by dr, 2 pi constant, ddr of r square, 200 constant, ddr of 1 by r. So 2 pi into 2r plus 200 So remember 1 by x का derivative is minus 1 by x square. If you just remember this, always it is easy for you. 1 by x का derivative minus 1 by x square. This you remember. This is always helpful to us. So 1 by r will be minus 1 by r square. The whose value? ds by dr. So for maximum and minimum value, put ds by dr equals to 0. Okay, so ds by dr 0 means this is how much? 4 pi r minus 200 by r square equals to 0. Okay, so then implies 4 pi r square equals to 200 by r is 4 pi r square. If I take here 4 pi r cube equals to 200, r cube equals to 200 by 4 pi, 4 cancelled 50, so r equals to cube root of 50 by 5. Constant, you can keep it like this, doesn't matter. R is 50 by pi cube root. Now you got r now. Again you have to prove your second derivative is less than 0. d square s by dr square, that is d dr of 4 pi r minus 200 by r square. Okay, so this is 4 pi r का derivative to 1. How to take a derivative of this? So let me write that 200 constant d by dr of r to the power minus 3 minus 2. This will go to numerator. Now you can use another formula here. So d square s by d square s by dr square 4 pi plus into minus 2 r to the power n minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 3. So that gives you 4 pi plus 400 into 1 by r cube. Remember what is the value of r cube? That is 400 plus 4 pi plus 400 into 1 by 50 by 5. So you can simplify it. This is 8. So 4 pi, pi go 8 pi, n is 12 pi. 12 pi is a constant number greater than 0. You want to prove your surface area is minimum. It is proved here. So implies surface area is minimum. The dimension you have to find. The r already have got. Only h you have to find out. What is h here? Recall. You have kept in the box. H equals to 100 by pi r square. I think. Yeah, because pi r square h is 100. So now you can put the value of r here. 100 by pi. This is 50 by pi का cube root था and its square because this the r value is this one, then now square. So you can write, no need to calculate. You can simply keep it like that. 100 by pi into 50 by pi का 50 का पावर होगा 2 by 3, पाई का पावर भी होगा 2 by 3. So पाई का पावर 1 and 2 by 3 if you cancel 1 by 3. So 100 by pi का पावर 1 by 3, 50 का पावर 2 by 3. So you can leave it like this, doesn't matter. Okay, let's go to one more question. That is prove that volume of the largest core. So it is question number 23. So that volume of the largest hole. Largest cone, you understand? Volume has to be maximum. Largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere, that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r. देखो, that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r. मतलब ये तो constant given, ये r अभी constant हो गया. Okay, then is 8 by 27 times volume of the volume of the sphere. Lot of clue here. Okay, look, largest core, volume of the core. First point will be maximum. ये फर्स्ट क्लू हो गया. Volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r. Radius of sphere. Radius of sphere is r, which is constant. This is very important point for us. ये r तो constant है, हम इसको यूज करेंगे. Then is 8 by 27. Who is 8 by 27? A cone is 8 by 27. Third point, volume of cone will be 8 by 27 volume of sphere. So 3 points. First, volume of the cone has to be maximum. You have to prove. Radius of the sphere is r constant. Again, you have to prove volume of the cone is 8 by 27 volume of the sphere. These 3 points you have to note here. Okay, let's draw the diagram of this. Sphere is given. Inscribed, a cone is inscribed in this. Cone is inscribed, in which if I take the center of the sphere, this is our radius r. Now, up to this point, if I join, suppose a point, this distance is something different. This is our r, this is also r. This is also r, this is also r. These two are constant. ये radius of r, radius of cone हो गया. Cone का radius is this OA, and suppose this is A, B, C. This is suppose D. OD different. BB is R of the cone. Okay, let's collect here. Radius of sphere, that is r. I have told you this is constant. Now let OD equals to x, BD equals to small r. Small r means radius of cone. So what is height of the cone then? Height of the cone. Height of the cone means AD. How much? Now r plus x. R plus x. Height of the cone I got. Okay. Let's create a relation here. Because you are finding two variables. One variable is r, otherwise x. This is constant. OBD triangle. In OBD triangle, square of the longest side equals to sum of the square of other two sides. R square plus x square. Okay, volume of the cone में formula लिखो. 1/3 pi r square h. Two variables r square and h. H I have got. This is your h. R plus x. Let's find out r square. R square you can find out from here. R square equals to r square minus x square. Keep it in the box now. Okay. Now this also keep in the box. We need this. So let me go back to I draw this because already I have given the data here. Look at volume of cone. V equals to 1/3 pi r square h. That is pi by 3. This is r square minus x square. H is r plus x. Okay, because h is r plus x. Look at here, which one is constant? You have to observe. This is radius of sphere given, so this is constant. This is constant. That means variable is x. So you have to find dv by dx. So what will be dv by dx? Now that is pi by 3 constant d dx of r square minus x square into r plus x. Now you have to use the product rule. So what is the product rule here? Pi by 3 first function derivative of second plus second function derivative of first. Okay, this is the formula I wrote. First function derivative of second, second function derivative of first. Now let's find the derivative. What will you get? Now that is pi by 3 r square minus x square. You are finding dv by dx. So dx of r is 0. It is constant. ये x with respect to x is 1. Then plus r plus x again here. This r square derivative is constant 0. X square का 2x. Simplify करो. What will you get? Pi by 3 r square minus x square. If I multiply minus 2rx minus 2x square. So pi by 3 I can add r square minus 2rx minus 3x square. This is what I got, your dv by dx. Okay, now let's see what you have to do. For maximum or minimum value dv by dx has to be 0. That means this part is the constant, this part has to be 0. So r square minus 2rx minus 3x square should be 0. How to solve this splitting middle term? So splitting middle term will be how much? That is r square, this is r square minus 3rx plus rx minus 3x square. Splitting the middle term, minus 3rx plus rx. So this is okay. R common, r minus 3x plus x common, r minus 3x. Okay, so if you take r minus 3x common, you will get r plus x, which is 0. This is also 0, equals to 0. So implies r minus 3x is 0, r plus x is also 0. So what is our conclusion here? This implies r equals to 3x, but you have to find the variable. Variable means x you have to find out. So x equals to r by 3. Let's keep this one in the box. X is equal to minus r rejected, because height cannot be negative. Because when you are writing the height, this part was r, this part was x. So this height of a cylinder cannot be negative. So or if I put r is equal to minus here, the r plus minus r will be 0. That means there will be no height. That is why I have rejected this. Okay. Now I go back to find the second derivative. D square v by dx square. Okay, d square pi by 3 constant, it was ddr of I think r square minus 2rx minus 3x square. It was like this. Okay, pi by 3 will remain. ये constant है, देखो r is given constant, इसका value 0. 2 are the constant, x का derivative 1. This is minus 6x. So pi by 3 minus 2r minus 6 into, look at here, what is the value of x? R by 3. So r by 3 put here. This cancel 2. Okay, then that is pi by 3 minus 4r. All are constant, look at here. Everything is constant. Then you can say whether it is positive or negative. So this is negative, less than 0. Therefore, volume is maximum. Volume is maximum. Now we have to find volume of the cone is 8 by 27 volume of the sphere. So for that, let's find out everything about the height of the cone. What is the formula? Height of the cone. That is h equals to r plus x, r plus r by 3. X is r by 3, look at. So that is 4r by 3. Then radius of the cone. The relation I have given you, r square is r square minus x square. This relation I have given you, look at there. So I can put r square equals to r square minus r by 3 का whole square. That is your r square minus r square by 9. So r square equals to 9r square minus r square, 8r square by 9. Okay. You got radius of the sphere form. You got height of the cone. Let's find what is the formula, volume of the cone. Therefore, volume of the cone equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi is r square. You put 8r square by 9. 8r square by 9. H how much got? 4r by 3. Okay. Now look. 8 by 27 you take out. 8 by 27 you take out. What is left out? Here left out is, take out means I have written in one side. Pi by 3. This again r square 4r cube. That is, rewrite 8 by 27, 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. I have rearranged it. Why? This is volume of the sphere. So which is 8 by 27 volume of the sphere. This type of question comes in the board exam of 6 marks. So practice it very nicely. Let's take one more question. So one more is 24. That is given to us. So that right circular cone of least curved surface area. So that right circular cone of least curved surface area. Least curved surface area. Look at least. Least means minimum. Minimum curved surface area. Least curved surface area and given volume. And given volume means this is constant. Given volume will be constant. Has an altitude √2 times radius of the base. Okay, let's see what is given. Right circular cone of least curved surface area is minimum. Least means minimum you have to prove. Given volume. Second, volume is constant. Given volume is constant. Again you have to prove has an altitude means height. You have to prove height equals to √2 times radius of the base. So these three now. 3 points you got from this. Curved surface area has to be minimum, least, volume is constant given, V will be constant. Then you have to prove H is equal to √2r. Okay, make a cone. We write this is R, this is S, this is Z. Okay, just think of V is your 1 by 3 pi r square h. Just see, this is constant, but these two are variable. Okay, let it go. Curved surface area, S are taken symbol, pi r l. New thing came up, r and l is variable. There is no l here. That means l का relation hr में you have to convert. So you look at here, l square equals to h square plus r square, Pythagoras theorem. So from here I can find is a curved surface area है, curved surface area है, तो curved CSA, कर्व सरफेस एरिया को मैंने स्क्वायर बनाया. दिस इज कर्व सरफेस एरिया. कर्व सरफेस एरिया इज पाई आर एल. व्हाई आई एम मेकिंग स्क्वायर? नहीं, ये स्क्वायर फॉर्म में आएगा. कर्व सरफेस एरिया इज पाई स्क्वायर आर स्क्वायर एल स्क्वायर. पाई स्क्वायर आर स्क्वायर एल स्क्वायर. सो इट बिकेम एल स्क्वायर. अब एल स्क्वायर में ये वाला वैल्यू पुट करो. चले कर्व सरफेस एरिया, यू कैन जस्ट गिव ए सिंबल, कोई एक सिंबल दे दो जे. सो आई कैन राइट, let me write that v here, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Let's keep it like this, because this we have to use now. You got z equals to pi square r square l square. अब l square में h square plus r square पुट करो. So z equals to pi r square h square plus r square. Still you look at here, there are two variables. Two variables here. So look at here, which one I should find, so that it will be easy for us to put here. You can find out r square from here. If I put r square, then it will be easy to calculate. So you would find out 3v by h. 3v by pi h equals to r square. Let's keep this one in the box. Important point, this one. So now in place of r square, you can put this value. 1 r square is here, 1 r square is here. So these are the clues. If you don't use it, then your derivative will be very complicated. So come to the point now. So z became pi square, I think. Pi or square, so pi square is there. Sorry, pi square. Pi square, r square is 3v by pi h. This will remain outside. Then h square plus 3v by pi h. Okay. So this is multiplied here. The one of the pi can be cancelled. 3v pi constant. If you multiply here, h square by h, 3v by pi h square. The conclusion is, little calculation is lengthier here. So z equals to 3v pi h, 3v pi h. Again 3v pi multiply here, 3v pi into 3v by pi h square. So pi the cancel. So z equals to 3v pi h, 9v square. Because you are going to find the derivative, this h को numerator को you have to take, minus h to the power minus 2. Okay. R square is 3v by pi h. Let's keep it. So dz by dh equals to ddh of 3v pi into h ddh of 9v square into h to the power minus 2. This is 3v pi because h का derivative 1 plus 9v square the constant, then into minus 2 h to the power minus 3. So 3v pi minus 18v square by h cube. Okay, now let's put dz by dh equals to dz by dh equals to 0. 3v pi minus 18v square by h cube equals to 0. So you are getting 3v pi equals to 18v square by h cube. 3 cancel 6, one of the v is also cancelled. So pi h cube equals to 6v, or I can write here 6. Let's keep this in the bracket. Okay, now second derivative. Second derivative is d square z by dh square, that is ddh of 3v pi minus 18v square constant ddh of, look at this part, h to the power minus 3. This is 0 minus 18v square into h to the power minus 3 minus 3 into h to the power minus 4. So minus minus plus 54v square by h 4. So if I find h from here, if I find h, how much I get? 6v by pi cube is a constant. Only I have shown here positive, only this value you write here. So d square z by dh square is positive, because this is positive, where h equals to cube root of 6v by pi. That's what you have tried. Because all I have shown positive, h is, this value means total will be positive. Now, I think earlier you have written one relation, that was r square equals to 3v by pi h. That is why I had kept this v value here, so that it will be easy for us to calculate. So v में value put कर दो. So how much you will get? R square equals to 3 by pi h. V is pi h cube by 6. Look, one of the h is cancelled. 3 cancelled at 2, pi is cancelled. So you got, how much you got? 2r square equals to h square, because 1 h is cancelled. H equal to root over of 2r square. So height is equal to root 2 times radius of s. 2. So where I am making the box, those are the clues for you. So you will try to put importance on those lines. So we will continue again tomorrow.